Hi, we are here today at Supreme Towers located at Koregaon Park, Pune, a luxurious and magnificent property in association with Horizon Properties, Pune. The Supreme Towers, Pune is exclusively for those who are looking for the finest living within the city. Comprising of two separate towers, each tower has 34 stories, out of which 32 stories are for residential areas. Every tower has 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. This elite project has 4 stories only dedicated for amenities, comprising of 85,000 square feet. These amenities include an infinity pool, a rooftop cafeteria cum restaurant, gymnasium, open sky theatre, and so much more. The project has 3 levels of car parking and also have amenities such as amphitheatre, a kids pool, a jogging track and sports area on the ground floor as well as the podium. Are you ready to see the classy, elegant and grand 4 BHK apartment at Supreme Towers? Let's go. This is the foyer area which leads directly into the living room. Here is your beautiful, humongous and amazing living room. Your living space comes with an attached dining area. Here is the deck area. This is a spacious deck that comes attached with the apartment. The apartment by itself is open from 3 sides, giving you a 240-degree view of the city. It has a square feet of 150 and has a false ceiling as well with concealed lights, just like the rest of the apartment. The entire apartment has Turkish marble flooring. Now let's go have a look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen space. It has a modular design already with hob and chimney and your UV water purifiers as well. It leads directly to the dry balcony and the helper's room, which I must mention comes separately apart from the 4 BHK that is already available here. The helper's room has a separate entry so that they do not enter from the main entrance whenever required. Let's go have a look at the rest of this classy apartment. Now we enter the family room or the family space. This is where everybody can sit together and have a fun time. Here is the washroom that is attached to the family space. The entire apartment has a total of 6 washrooms. Let's continue with the tour. This is the powder room. And here we have the guest room. Let's go have a look at the children's bedroom. Its own washroom, and this is the children's bedroom. I hope you had a look at the attached washroom to the children's bedroom. Now it's time to have a look at the master bedroom. This is the wonderful walk-in closet which comes attached with the master bedroom as well as the washroom. This is the master bedroom. It comes with its own attached Deck. Here is the deck, as mentioned earlier, attached with the master bedroom. Here are some of the additional amenities that come along with the apartment. Split AC provided throughout the entire space. The glasses that are fitted are DGU glasses, which are specializing in noise cancellation and heat insulation. And the entire space has a DG backup as well. So you need not worry whenever the lights are cut.